Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install our rear load hook bar kit. The kit is designed to fit our 2 and 3 yard rear loads. The kit includes your hook, pins for holding the hook in, cable guide, washers, bolts, and a couple rivets. Tools needed to install this: basically a drill, a 1/4 inch drill bit, a pair of pliers, a 3/4 inch socket or wrench, and a hammer. And I'll show you how it's done. We're going to start off with the cable guide. All the little dumpsters have a recessed area for the cable guide. Start by dropping your cable guide into place. Use the hole as a pilot. Drill your first hole. Tap that in to hold it in place. Drill your second hole. You can install these with or without the lids on. I'm showing you here, this is the worst case scenario if you decide to add it later. And then just drive the pin all the way in to the rivet. That installs the cable guide. Now we're going to install the hook bar. Start by sliding your pins in to get them started. Place your hook bar in position. Run your pins all the way through. Washer, bolt. Once again, washer and bolt. And then just tighten down the bolt. That's all it needs to be done to install the hook bar.